Okay, so welcome to part 3 of this video series where we're walking you through step by step on how to make a faceless video channel. Again, it still applies whether you're posting those videos on Rumble, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or anything like that. So, this is a new video. So if you're watching this from our second video to the third video, I did create a new video. So the content of it is a little different. The reason I did that is this is a relatively short video that I was doing, and that other video, it would have taken a while for me to finish and completely do this video. So that's why I wanted to start a new one. So what I've done between part 2 and part 3 is I've gone ahead and made sure that the timing between the text and what's going on in the audio are coinciding with each other, as you can see here. So I'll hit the play button so you can see this.
How do joint ventures work? Hi, my name is Christopher Brown. Let me give you an oversimplified explanation of how joint ventures work. Love him or hate him. Let's say Elon Musk posted a number.
Okay, so as you can see there, the audio and then the text that's appearing on the video or in the frame is matching up with the audio. So what we're going to do now is we need to make sure that the pictures in each one of these frames it doesn't always have to be 100% exact. So as you can see here, like let's say Elon Musk. So the text here, let's say Elon Musk, and I had some picture of something that had nothing to do with Elon Musk. Let's say I put a picture of a cat. That really wouldn't make sense. Obviously, I want to kind of have it somewhat, being congruent with what the message is. Okay. So first of all, so the first message is, how do joint ventures work? I have some pictures on here, and actually this picture that is in front of you actually might work, but I'm going to use this one instead. So let me drag that. So first of all, I have videos or images already uploaded inside of Canva, and I just upload it and I just place that here. Okay. But where are you going to find images? So there's a couple of places that I suggest. If you want AI images, a place called cart.ai works pretty good. It's free. They do have a paid service, just like everything. Then there's this place called Hugging Face. And so this one is kind of tricky to find. So just go on Google and search Hugging Face and then put comic book. And it comes up with this creator. Now, this is the 1950s version, but they have a lot of drop downs. So I'm going to do the American Modern. So and then up here is your description. A businessman. So let's say a rich businessman in Miami, Florida, driving a Ferrari. And then and then I'll go ahead and hit go. Okay, now this is asking me to sign in. I've been having problems signing in, so I'm not going to do that in this video. But another place that you can go to is this cart.ai. One thing that AI is doing, they're kind of sexualized a lot of the images. So just be mindful of that when you're doing this. Every new technology, it always starts with pornography or sexualized images. And then you can also, if you're actually doing like a search for something, so let's say Ferrari, right? And then that way you can find something that kind of fits what you're looking for a little better. And then you can just type in what you're searching for. Let's go with like shaking hands. Okay, holding hands. I don't really see any shaking hands. But that's a place that I can go ahead and find some images as well. And then if you go to where it says create images, and then you can go ahead and create some images here as well. So let me show you how this works. So hi, my name is Christopher Brown. Let me give you a oversimplified explanation of how this works. So let's say I'm going to type in, because you need to be very specific of how to use these prompts. So you want to type in realistic photo of a successful businessman in Beverly Hills, California. A successful businessman at the pool, sitting down, working on his Apple Apple MacBook Air at the Beverly Hills Hotel at sunset. Now, there's some settings over here, and I could go super detailed, as detailed whatever's going on in your head of this image. This is obviously better for very creative people. You can talk about the clothes that he's wearing. You can really get detailed in this. So these are credits. So this image, so all these images that you see here, these images costed me about 6 credits. You can have it, so for each prompt, so each direction that you give this, you can have multiple images created. I like going only for one image at a time. But if I wanted to do multiple, so I can pick up to 4, so that would cost me 24 credits. So basically 6 times 4 is 24 credits. So you get 150 credits per day. And I have gone ahead and paid in addition to that. So I have my 144 credits for today. Plus I have 44,900 and something. So what do I have? 44,925 credits that I've paid for that never will expire. So I use between both, those two. Now, so then there's an estimated cost of 24. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use one. And then the sizes. So if you can see where my cursor is, you have different sizes. Like this, so it's portrait or landscape. Obviously, portrait images would more so be for like TikTok or Instagram or something like that. And then YouTube, of course, there's YouTube Shorts as well. But I like to do the landscape, and I have it usually in the range of about 1,024 by 592, and that seems to fit for doing a YouTube video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select generate, and it's going to take just a moment here. And 82%. Now in the meantime, I'm going to come back over here. So I got my image, how do joint ventures work? And so, hi, my name is Christopher Brown. And so here is my image. It's not exactly the Beverly Hills Hotel. But anyway, I'm going to download it. And then there is my image. And then inside of Canva, I can go to my documents, and here's the picture that I just used. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload that. And then here's my image. And then I can just drag that over there. And I can do that with, all these, and then I can go search Google or wherever. I could do this also with video files. The problem with video files on something this short, the video needs to be 3 seconds long, no more than that. So that can create a challenge at times. But like, let's say here, I'll put Dr. Evil in it.
Isn't exactly a lot of money. How do joint ventures work? Hi, my name is Christopher Brown. Let me give you an oversimplified explanation of how joint ventures work.
So what I would need to do is I would need to remove the audio. So let me turn down the audio for that clip. And then what I could do is I could come.
How do joint ventures work? Hi, my name is Christopher Brown. Let me give you an oversimplified explanation of how joint ventures work.
Okay.
Love him or hate him.
So obviously you can see how to do some videos in this. So let me go ahead and pause this video for the moment, and let me go ahead and complete this video for you, and I'll show you how to download it, and then we can upload that to YouTube, and just walk you through on how to do that. So I will see you in about 2 seconds. Okay, so I've gone ahead and completed all the pictures for this, for each frame for this video. So the whole thing is now done. So let me just give you a quick little preview.
How do joint ventures work? Hi, my name is Christopher Brown. Let me give you an oversimplified explanation of how joint ventures work. Love him or hate him. Let's say Elon Musk posted a number of messages on Twitter, or what is known as X, endorsing you and what you...
Okay, so there's the video. And now I'm going to go ahead and save it. And just as a side note, so now that I've done this, I showed you how to find pictures. I've showed you how to add pictures to each frame. I can I can take this same video and make multiple videos just by repurposing the content. So that's why I like to make a template. Keep the template. Don't delete it once you're done. I like to keep it over the long term, and that way I can go back in and make slight changes to the video itself. I can, like the border around here, I can change the colors. I can change the text fonts. I can change the images in the videos, and then I can re-upload it to another channel, and then that way it doesn't look like duplicate content. But so I had a blast recording this video for you today. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and upload or download the video. So here's the video. I'm going to go ahead and download it, and then once I do that, hopefully you know how to do the rest, and then I can go ahead and upload that to any of the video sharing platforms. And but I'll do some additional supplementary videos in here, and I'll show you how to build a template. I'll show you how to take this exact same thing, what we've already done, and I'll show you how to turn that into a short, a video short, and then those I can do on Instagram, TikTok, and then as well as YouTube. And but anyway, that's the end of today's video. So I had a blast recording this for you here today. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye bye now.